All right, so guys, on today's video we are going to show you how to read a tape measure. So there is a tape measure right here. Some people find it difficult to be able to what they read the tape measure. So today's video I'm going to show you how to do what to do read the tape measure, so that you're able to what read and measure your whatever measure your fabric to be able to see your clothes. You understand? So let's get it started. So this is the tape measure. It's new, understand? So let me remove whatever is on it and let me start showing you how it is measured. So let me zoom in a little bit. All right, so guys, you see this metal right here. Can you see this metal right here? So guys, from this metal to this place, or let me first show you this. From this metal to this place, that running right here is called 1 inch. That is written right here. From this metal mark right here to this place, this line right here is called what? 1 inch. That is written right here. You got it? And so guys, from this place, can you see it? From this place to this place is called what? 1/4 inch. From this place to this place is called what? 1/4 inch. And from this place to this place is called what? 1/2 inch. And from this place to this place is called what? This place, from this place 1 inch, from this place to this place is called 1 inch. So when you add this one, all of this one to come to this part is called what? 2 inches. You don't understand? So it's called 2 inches. And when you add from this place, from the mouth of this place to this place, is called 1 1/4. So from the mouth to this place too is what? 1 1/2. You don't understand? So from this place, so guys, can you see the small line right here? Small line right here. Small line. This 1 2 3. This small line is called 8. All right, so guys, from this place, from this long line to this short line right here is called 2/8. From this long line to this short line right here is called 2/8. And from this long line to this line right here is called 1/4 inch, right? Let me zoom in for you to able to see exactly what I'm talking about. From this long line to this one is called 1/4 inch, right? And from this place, from this long line to this place is called from this place, this long line to this place is called 3/8. These small lines right here, these small lines, each one of them is called 8. You don't understand? So from this place, from this long line to this one is called 3/8, right? 3/8. And from this long line to this place is called half of an inch, or 1/2 inch, right? So from this place to this place is called 5/8. Do you know why? Because this one is called 8. So you count this one: 1 2 3 4 5, and we add the 8 to it to call it 5/8. From this place, this long line to this place is called 3/4. And from this place to this place, you count this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? So to join, and this one you won't count this one, so this one is 8, so you make it 7/8. You don't understand? And from this place, from this long line to this place is called 1 inch. You don't understand? So when you check 1 inch, from this place, 1 inch, 2 inch, and 3 inches, you count it all over to how any measurement that you want to use for the measurement. So this is actually how to measure a tape, to be able to measure your fabric, to be able to measure and sew your clothes. You understand? So if you like this video, kindly hit the subscribe button, subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. See you in the next videos.